Hello everyone, I am Bilal Sharif. I am planning to make a series of videos on how to make money on YouTube. Even before that, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you will be notified whenever I upload such videos. So let's get started. Do you know there are 2 billion active YouTube users in the world in 2022? It is expected to reach 2.5 billion in 2025. Today, the most admired career is no longer a doctor or engineer, but it's to become a content creator. The reason why anyone should start a YouTube channel is it's easy to start, helps you reach more people, build a side income, and much more. I've already made a video on why you should start a YouTube channel and its advantages. You can have a look at it. I have pasted the link in the description of this video. If you're an entrepreneur, solopreneur, trainer, coach, or consultant, then having a YouTube channel could be the easiest way to reach your audience for your business and build an extra marketing channel to promote your products and services. If you are someone who loves to speak and share knowledge and wish to make an impact, then having a YouTube channel could be the easiest way to turn your passion into reality. Now let's jump to the important part of the video. How do you monetize your channel? You need to join YouTube Partner Program to monetize your channel. To qualify for YPP, you need to have at least 4,000 public watch hours in the previous 12 months. And you need to have at least 1,000 subscribers in your channel, and you can apply for YPP when you cross 4,000 public watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. You will be updated on your progress towards hitting these thresholds in the monetization tab in your YouTube studio. After all of these steps are completed, then your channel will be reviewed, and if everything looks good, you can start earning money from ads. In my upcoming videos, I am planning to share techniques and tips to gain those initial 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in an easiest way. I request you all to hit the bell icon so that you will be notified whenever I upload my next video. Thanks for watching me. Bye.